Hey there, fellow welders and YouTubers. Today is the unboxing of the new Everlast PowerMTS 252 STI. It's a new version that they released in 2018, and this is the unboxing of it. First off, I want to say that the packaging is pretty nice. It's got a pretty stout looking crate. It's all wood, and it's very heavy. I weighed this in at 146.5 pounds, so that's pretty heavy. So anyhow, let's get into this. Now, first we got the manual. Nice gun. Look at that. Beautiful. And quick connect. Nice. Alright, let's put that aside. Next up, the TIG package. This is a really nice gun. Beautiful. 2T and 4T operation. Beautiful gun. Nice cover for the hose and cables, and it's very long. 12.5 feet. Looks like it's set up for water cooling also. Looks like that is a water cooling setup. All quick connects on it. Very nice. This will be fun. And a zipped up sleeve for the whole cable. It's great. Alright, put that aside. Big foot pedal. Really big foot pedal. That's huge. Feels pretty good too. Huge cable on it. Long cable. It looks like a very long cable. Alright. Oh, nice. Okay. Everlast has included a flow meter, not just a regulator, like most other welders end up giving you a regulator with your MIG gun, but this is a flow meter, so much more precision, much better for welding. Alright, put that aside. Alright, let's get to the main feature. Notice this caution, heavy package over 70 pounds. Okay, yeah, slightly over. How about twice that? Okay. Now this is a little heavy, but I'm a strong guy, so I can hold it with one hand. Barely, but I can hold it with one hand. Very nice. Okay, let's get in closer with this. Nice cover. Flips up, out of the way. And wow, this thing has got a ton of features on it. This has got more features than the 221 STI. Quite a bit more. This is beautiful. Get a good close look at that. Nice. There's all the connections. Potentiometer feels a little cheesy, but time will tell if it's reliable. So down with the cover. Let's open up the side of this thing. A little stiff. There we go. Open. Four roller MIG setup. Nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Wow, that's great. Look at that big motor there. No bogging down, no wires slowing down while you're welding. That's nice. And this compartment can hold a very big, the biggest spool you can put on it. 44 pound, I believe. That's nice. Very nice. Alright. Let's see. Got some styrofoam underneath it. It rocks a little bit. Let's see if there's something adjustable underneath there. Uh-oh, I see a problem. It looks like the bottom of this took a hit. Side panel's got a little bit of a dent in it. And the bottom looks like it got dropped or something. See how if you follow the corner there, how the metal goes up. And then now the side panel there, the green panel, was at that screw right there is bent inward. Okay, hey guys, we're back. I spared you the expense of losing time watching me unscrew all the screws and the handle on it. So, but I will show you what I have found so far. On the side panel, you can see here, there's a small indentation here, so there was obviously a hit there. Or not a hit there, but hit on the bottom, causing that to bend inward. And let's get this panel off. Same thing here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up or not, but there's a little indentation there. Let's see from the side. So, not too bad though. Okay, let's get in closer and see what we got. Okay, hope the camera is picking this up. There's a pretty good indentation here. You see the bulge there. There's a seam, and this is lifting up. But there's not much under there really, so nothing looks damaged. Back side looks okay. On this side, all the components and everything look good. Nothing damaged. Love that 4-roller setup. That big motor. Wow, that's beautiful. That's nice. Won't have any problems pushing wire out with that. Alright, let's go to the other side. Here we got another pretty good sized bulge and crease right there. And you can see that that board there is leaning forward, so there's no damage to it or anything, but I'm sure that shouldn't be like that. I'm going backward here. Okay, there's a bit of a bulge there in the bottom right here, and it's kicking this panel. It's kicking that panel inward. You can probably see from the side a little better. See, I'm sure that's supposed to be straight up, and this here is pushed in a bit. Looks like there's a lot of space in there, so I don't see anything being affected by it. I don't see it getting close to anything. The only thing I see is the fan. There's a fan there. It's probably not blowing right directly on the heatsink that's behind that. And let's get another view here. And you can probably see the heatsink back there. So the fan's not getting good direction on that. So this probably needs to be bent outward, but that there has to be bent down first, and as well as this has to be bent down. The whole thing looks like it took a heck of an impact. Somebody dropped it hard. This in no way is Everlast's fault. This is obviously a shipping issue that caused all this. So whether it was from China to Everlast or from Everlast to my place, there's some damage has occurred. So anyhow, I will get a hold of Everlast and ask them what they want to do about it. If they want to just take it in return, or maybe even work something else out, being that it doesn't seem like there's any damage to the components inside. Actually, why don't we just go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. Maybe you guys will get to see a fireworks show. Maybe not. Okay, it's plugged in. That's a good sign. No smoke, no fire. Let's go around the back and turn it on. Ready? Here goes. Fans are on. Lights are on. Looks good. And everything looks okay. Sounds okay. Don't know if it welds or anything, but anyhow, I'll get a hold of Everlast and find out if they want me to test it out, or just go ahead and box it back up and return it. So after we find out what we're going to do with this, I'll have some operational videos of it. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, share, or throw it away. Talk to you guys later.